Everyone, it's me again, Nick, and today we're finally here. We're finally here. This is the countryside of Strausburg. My grandma and auntie are talking right now. Hang on, let's grab the box. Kept my promise saying I was gonna bring Thomas, Percy, Annie, and put them on the coach with me on some track. And this is the countryside of Strausburg. Hope you comment down below if you like it. I'm pretty sure we're about to pass Tom's point. Okay, we're doing turn right. So until we do that. Oh, there it is, the countryside of Strausburg. Yep, isn't that beauty? This is the Strausburg countryside, everyone. I'm pretty sure. So I might up Strausburg Lane. Turn left or turn right.
Oh, you gotta hit the full quarter to full.
Yep, we're here. So anyway, I'm gonna turn the camera off until we get out of the car. Probably not. I don't know. This is, I will rejoice. I will rejoice that the Lord
And be glad.
and be glad.
Yeah.
And be glad.
Yeah, you need to get back in church.
Oh my goodness, who don't know that song?
I know the song.
You do not.
Yes, I do,
Your grandmother
Auntie.
helped you twice, sir.
Auntie's driving me here. Thank you, Auntie, for driving me all this way.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna tell the fans that I'm thanking them. That I'm thanking you. I'm just gonna tell the people that's watching this video, saying thank
I
you.
play a gospel song for you.
Oh, really now?
You was talking about last night.
Really now? You really want to go that? Okay. Okay, I see how it is. I listen to gospel.
When?
My favorite one is
I said
Revolution.
when.
About a few days ago, I listened to Revolution. Oh, okay, I'll stop if I get copyrighted. So I'm gonna cut the camera off until we get to Strausburg, until we get to see this train station. So I'll see you guys later. Wait, FedEx mixed up your time, Auntie? Yeah, so this is the countryside of Strausburg. On your left. There's a house that was built over 100 years ago, covered by trees. I'm just joking. Thank you, Auntie, for coming here. Grandma, you could have done all of it. Okay. Okay, so we're here. Well, we gotta go to the train station. And we got some other things. We got some other places to go to. But plus, by the way, if you want to know, there's a little train car right there. There's a little train car right there if you want to see it. So until we get there, as I said, we're probably gonna stop the camera. I don't know. Here we are, everyone. Strausburg Railroad. Built in 1886. I don't know when this.
Thomas up there.
Wait, where? Oh my God! He's massive. There he is. There he is. There he is in all of his glory, ladies and gentlemen. Thomas Tank Engine.
Make sure
I'm excited. I'm excited.
Coaches have to go for a passenger to move from coach to coach and way back in the day on this style of car. So we'd like to ask you,
So we're on the train right now. I'm excited. Grandma, are you excited?
Yeah, for you.
Auntie, are you excited? Bathroom's right there, ma'am.
No, They're going to the other.
Move from coach to coach and way back in the day on this style of car. So we'd like to ask you,
So we're on the train right now. I'm excited. Grandma, are you excited?
Yeah, for you.
Auntie, are you excited? Bathroom's right there, ma'am.
Moved from coast to coast even way back in the day on this style of car. So we'd like to ask you,
So we're on the train right now. So we're about to leave, and Thomas is pulling. Okay, so Thomas is about to. Nope. I'm fine, Grandma.
I thought you said something.
Okay, so we're about to be on the train. We're on the train right now, but we're about to move. Thomas is all the way in the back, and we're all the way on the other side. I wish I could see his face. Yo, Thomas, can you wake us up real quick? Wake up. I need you to wake up for me real quick, my boy. I need you to wake up for me. Please. Stop being a lazy bum. One's really so Tom's almost fell asleep, and we're about to move. I'm just playing along with the kids. And if you can barely hear me. And there's a little kid playing with a wood Thomas. I wish that kid was playing wood railroad. So we're about to move. So then we're just gonna wait until Thomas moves. Please. Stop being a lazy bum. One's really so Tom's almost fell asleep, and we're about to move. I'm just playing along with the kids. And if you can barely hear me. And there's a little kid playing with a wood Thomas. I wish that kid was playing wood railroad. So we're about to move. So then we're just gonna wait until Thomas moves. We're moving. We're moving. Bye. Zoom out. Bye. Bye, everyone. Bye, all cars in the background. I have to cut the scene real quick. Bye. Bye. Bye, people. Bye, people who I don't know. Bye. Bye, people who are not on the camera shot because I don't want to. Bye. Oh, Mavis. Who?
Who's that?
Let me see.
You can't see that there. What is that right there? That's just a... Is that a train too?
Let me see.
Who's that?
That's Rusty. That's a narrow gauge engine right there, Auntie. That's Rusty.
Why so little?
He's a narrow gauge engine. Narrow gauge engines are little, and they run on a different set of tracks. The tracks are more narrow. That's why they're called narrow gauge.
Hey, 6'11".
Oh, hi 6'11". Hi. Hi 6'11". It's very nice to meet you. You're one of the fastest locomotives out there. No, I'll show you. Hi. Hi, number 90. That's on number 90. That's my okay. My bag. Hi, people. Hi, people who aren't focused in the shot. Hi. Hi, everyone. Hi, dinner cars. Hi, coaches. Hi, people who are not in camera shot. Thank you. Hi. Hi, 6'11's tender. Hi. Hi, people who are not focused. Hello, Mr. Conductor. Hello, come inside.
Scrap metal and stuff.
Oh, this is dark, Auntie. What happens if I told you this happens in the show?
You can take it over there. Remove it. Air is floating. I hope we go around a bend so we can...
I guess you can. We're gonna go through the loop.
So I can see him.
Oh God. Oh my Lord. You smell that?
Yeah, that's horse in the middle. Oh God. is horrible.
Smells great, Auntie.
That's disgusting.
So this is the countryside, and I'm wondering if I could get this in shot. I'm trying to get Thomas in shot.
So you can't lean out. Remember they say you
Oh
can't
yeah,
lean
sorry.
out?
Can't
So
lean.
you heard the instructions.
Yes, I can. I didn't know. I'm trying to get Thomas in shot.
You gotta wait till you like go on the third or something.
There's a bunch of cabooses, or brake fans. I like calling them brake fans. Don't you like?
Smell of doo-doo?
As long as it's cows, I'm fine. No, I'm joking. Hi, people in the car. Hi. Hi. This is my first time. Hi. Wow, that kid just called us a top hat.
Buggy rides.
Hi, people.
Bring your hand back some.
Oh, hi, people. Hi, horses. Hi, horses. Hi, American flag. Hi, countryside. Exclusive? What? Total train museum? Oh, there's a train museum here. Okay, you can take your mask off now. It doesn't smell like cow manure anymore.
No, I smell doodle.
Oh, I can smell it now.
Do you still smell doodle?
Yes. Thomas smells it almost every day. Thomas smells it. He doesn't complain. Yeah, I'll put my mask back on. Yeah, it's getting right to my throat. No. So here's the countryside. This is fun. I'm not even gonna lie. Thomas, you're a really useful engine if you're watching this. So anyway, wondering where my Trackmaster Thomas is. It's in the box. Let me go and get it. So anyway guys, this is my Strausburg Railroad Thomas. I just made it about almost a week ago. That's Thomas's whistle. It feels great to be me. Wow, that's so cool. It really is. Oh, this side's getting bumpier. This side's getting bumpier by the second. Whoa. Sam, I'm just gonna sit over here. Thank you. Thank you, Natalie, for running that way for me. So anyway, here's again another countryside. So Thomas, you do this like 4 days, almost 2 months? Yeah, they put me in a shed. I usually go back to Sodor. Oh, I'm just joking. I'm on the train, Thomas. Here's a toy. Well, okay, I can't do that. So I'm just gonna sit down. Percy, talk to the fans, please. Yeah. Hello, friends. Wow. I don't really know the film. Maybe I should film the other end. No, we're good. Oh wow. Look at this. journey down the rail. Percy, don't you ever sing that song again. No, don't even think of the song. No, I don't like that song. I'm sorry. I'm going back and taking my nap. You entertain the fans that are watching. Okay. Wow. He really does not like that song. Comment down below if you like that song. I think that song is pretty nice. Okay. Whoa. A bridge. A bridge. Where? Oh, wait, we're on the bridge right now. Okay, so if we're on the bridge, we gotta go slow. Since we gotta go slow, I'm gonna sit down on next lap. Hello, Mr. Conductor.
Almost 20 years.
Hello, Mr. Conductor. I'm Percy. Just do. Oh, here it comes. Hello. Hey, Thomas. Hey, me. What's good? Hi. Hello. Hello. Okay, guys, this is the Thomas workshop. Shop filled with Thomas merchandise. Look. Oh, there's more of them. More dental supplies. Excuse me, kind lady. More diesel sets. Sammy, I already bought what I wanted. The mug, the mini, and even the tissue box that cost like $6.90. Jesus, $6.99. Okay, so I have to put something back. I want to put this back. Streamline Thomas and Turbo Thomas. The mug or the mini. Or just forget about grandma. Not give her this. I'm gonna give my grandma this. She's probably gonna like this. I'm gonna buy her something nice. Something Thomas related. Everywhere I feel, I have to like Thomas. So I'm gonna cut the camera off. Bye.
Oh, yes. This is awesome.